Does using hot water or a nice hot shower actually open up your pores? I'm a scientist and skincare is a science, so let's talk facts. Truth is, your pores don't open and close just from water temperature. Hot water can make your skin a little puffier and make your pores more noticeable, but it's not actually making them open. This myth has been around a long time, but it's just not true. So you're actually better off to use a lukewarm water when washing your face than actually using scalding water on it. That super hot water is actually just more likely to mess with your moisture barrier or damage your skin, especially if it's already cracked or sensitive for any reason. Facial steamers provide other benefits, however, they're not actually opening your pores because your skin has pores for a reason and they are open. And if they have debris or oil down in them, the hot water is not actually going to be what empties them out. The more you know.
Skincare hacks in 15 seconds, part 1. After applying a high concentration hyaluronic acid serum, use a higher water content or gel type moisturizer right after to force feed your skin with hydration. The plump and glow you'll get from this is insane. Dry skin? Bye-bye. Merry skincare.
4 tips to avoid maskne. Cleanse and tone immediately after removing your mask. Avoid applying makeup to the bottom half of your face. Choose a lightweight moisturizer instead of a heavy one. Use a purifying mask at least once a week.
If you have oily skin, here are 5 tips to live by. 1. Use an exfoliant mask once a week to keep your pores clear. 2. Moisturize. This one by belief is lightweight and great for all day wear and under makeup. 3 is my holy grail. This mattifier by Tatcha keeps me shine free longer than any product I've ever used. 4. A good setting spray. Even if you don't wear makeup, this will help manage shine. Make sure you fully saturate your face. 5. I keep these oil blotters on hand everywhere I go. They remove oil while keeping my makeup intact.
All right, I'm loving this topic right now. I'm going to share 3 things that I've incorporated into my routine to really help me slow down and prevent the signs of aging. But not only that, really hydrate my skin at a high level and keep it looking fresh, keep it looking hydrated, glowing, and all of the above. So I am going to share the 3 things that I've incorporated, and I highly recommend you give it a go and try them out yourself. Okay, so the first is an active I like to use. This is The Ordinary. So this is an alpha lipoic acid, 5%. So this is gonna brighten and target the signs of aging. Okay, number 2, sunscreen. This is crucial, so important to help protect from the UV rays even coming into your windows. So wear it every single day. I highly recommend it. Okay, and last, I incorporated a collagen, and not all collagens are the same. You want a hydrolyzed liquid collagen that has hyaluronic acid like this one to hydrate your skin and to really help you from the inside out, heal your body, and of course, prevent the signs of aging.
If you have little bumps around your eyes that look like this, these are called milia. These can happen for a bunch of different reasons, including sun exposure, not taking your makeup off, genetics, and the list goes on. Most of the time, they do tend to go away by themselves, so don't try to pick at it, please. Retinol is a great ingredient to help get rid of milia and fine lines. This is one of my favorite eye creams ever, and it has retinol in it to help fight off that milia. If these are really bothering you, you can actually go to your dermatologist and they can extract them professionally in a very painless treatment.
If you have textured or bumpy skin, here's how I improved mine. This was actually one of my personal goals when I started a skincare routine. It started by using a retinoid 6 nights a week. Then I used an exfoliating acid the other night of the week. Any exfoliating acid will do. I've personally been loving lactic acid. Finally, patience is key. It took me at least 3 months to see improvement.
This is why your fine lines might not be premature aging. This is my skin at 25 years old, no makeup. This is my skin at 20 years old, with makeup. So what changed and how did I age backwards? Here's the thing, these under eye fine lines, texture on the forehead, and pronounced nasolabial folds aren't actually aging. It's what happens when the skin is super dehydrated. So imagine your skin is like a grape. When it's hydrated, it's like a ripe grape. But when it's dehydrated, it looks like a raisin and the skin stretches and pulls. And that's why you get texture and fine lines. I decided to pare my routine down and focus on lightweight hydrators. I'm talking about essences, I'm talking about hyaluronic acid serums, and just lightweight humectants that help the skin not lose water. And yes, you do need this if you have oily skin as well.
Skincare tips and tricks part 1. If you want plump, dewy, glowy looking skin, maximize the benefits of your hyaluronic acid serum by doing what I like to call the hydration sandwich technique. Hyaluronic acid works best when there's moisture in the air or moisture on your skin. Always apply your serum onto damp skin. Use a toner or even a water spray. Apply your hyaluronic acid and then spritz over more of your toner or water. Be sure to lock in all that hydration with a nice occlusive moisturizer, and you'll have long-lasting, dewy, plump-looking skin.
Have you noticed these red, rough bumps on the back of your arms or on the front of your thighs? This is called keratosis pilaris. What happens is the skin produces all this protein that blocks the pores, accentuates the hair follicles, and you get these bumps. Use products with glycolic or salicylic acid like the Glycol spray, followed by Cordate 10, which is a mild hydrocortisone. You want to do this twice a day, every day for 2 to 3 weeks, and you
Do you struggle with acne scarring? Keep on watching. How to reduce and fade your acne scars. Switch your scrub to a chemical exfoliant. Add a vitamin C serum to your morning routine. It helps lighten pigmentation and scarring. Slowly add a retinol cream into your night skincare. Lastly, if nothing is working, talk to a skincare professional.
If your acne looks like this, small, little tiny bumps that never go away, you may have comedonal acne. Comedonal acne is essentially clogged pores that get stuck underneath the skin surface. The good news is we can treat it, incorporate a chemical exfoliant into your routine.
Here's the coolest trick I've ever learned from Dr. Dennis Gross on how to know which ingredient to use under your eyes to help with dark circles. What you're going to do is going to look a little freaky. Slightly pull the under eyes up a little bit to see if the darkness disappears or not. If it does, that means your skin is thin and the purple veins are showing through, so you want something to help with building collagen like vitamin C. If the color stays, that means your skin is discolored and you want an ingredient like retinol to help resurface and brighten the skin.
This is how I took my skin from this to this. I went to an esthetician to get a series of chemical peels done 4 to 5 weeks apart. I had a couple of microneedling sessions done, as well as a few other facials to speed up the process and maintain the results of the facials. I made sure to incorporate the right skincare items in my routine. Vitamin C in the mornings to help brighten my skin, retinol in the evenings to help with cell turnover. Always double cleansing. Last but not the least, sunscreen every day. That's all.
Hi, today I'm gonna show you some tips and secrets for a healthy and glowing skin. First step, drink a lot of water. But wait, twice a day add a few drops of liquid chlorophyll. It helps remove toxins and clears your skin. Always apply at least 30 SPF before going out in the sun. Next, stop waxing and shaving. Try sugaring. It does not irritate the skin, is less painful, and the result lasts longer. Before showering, brush your skin with a body brush to stimulate drainage, blood circulation, and smooth the skin. Once in a while, I love using this scrub which has gold shimmer particles in it. So satisfying to apply. To moisturize and hydrate the skin, mix some body lotion and coconut oil and apply after shower. For evenings and date nights, use the Fenty Beauty Body Lava Luminizer. And that's it. Love you. Bye-bye.
Okay, this is the most impromptu TikTok ever. However, you need to see this. Okay, so this is me, but you see, I have these pores right here that were always kind of like little black dots. I just thought, oh, I'm brown, I'm hairy, I guess it's hair, but it's not. I saw a video from an esthetician on YouTube and she talked about oil cleansing for 15 to 20 minutes and you'll get out little oil plugs. And I was looking at her like, what are you talking about? So she recommended oil cleansing for 15 to 20 to 30 minutes, like very long time, and they'll come out. And I thought, no way in hell is that gonna work on me. Well, look at this. This isn't even all of it. That's crazy, man. I never thought I could get these out. I was in such a rush to tell you, I still got the oil on my face and I'm still gonna get more of these out. I'm gonna end y'all with this video because that is still amazing to me. Oh my god.
So many of my clients love using hyaluronic acid, but they have been using it on the dry skin, and I'm going to show you how to use it. Use it on the damp skin. That's how it will not pull the water from the underlayer of your skin, and it's gonna give you more hydration and moisture. After that, you can see that I have a pimple, and it's completely simple. Don't worry about it. Just use your tretinoin. It's gonna help with getting rid of your acne, dark spots, wrinkles. It's basically a magical ointment that can actually help you get rid of all of the stuff. Just don't put too much. Don't use it every night. Twice a week is enough, or 3 times max if your skin is used to it. Then top it up with some moisturizer, because if you're not putting moisturizer while you're using hyaluronic acid, you're doing wrong to yourself. Put moisturizer. And then some few drops of oil. I don't mind it. I love the oil. I love the oil in my food. I love the oil in my hair. I love the oil on my skin. So just use it.